Hi everybody. In this video, you will see cash basis accounting versus accrual basis accounting. Okay, see the first question about this. Explain why accrual basis accounting is more appropriate than cash basis accounting for most businesses. Okay, the simple answer is like this. Accrual basis accounting is more appropriate because it shows what had happened in the business during one accounting period. But cash basis accounting only shows cash in and cash out in the business during the accounting period. So we can say that accrual basis accounting is better because it shows what had happened during the accounting period. Okay, see the next question. This question is about how to calculate profit using cash basis accounting and accrual basis accounting. Okay, there is a simple business here. A lawn care company started business in 1st of January 2017. The company billed clients 85,000 in the year 2017. 31st December, the company had received 61,000 cash, and then during the year, the company paid 58,000 cash for expenses, still owed 29,000 at the end of the year, and then these expenses will be paid in January 2018. How much income should the company report for 2017 using cash basis accounting and accrual basis accounting? So the question asks you to calculate profit or income using cash basis accounting and also using accrual basis accounting. So to answer this question, firstly, you have to remember the basic formula to calculate profit that we use in accounting. So in accounting, to calculate profit, the formula is very simple. Revenue minus expenses. And then, so you have to calculate the profit using cash basis and accrual basis. So here is cash basis, and then this is accrual basis. Now we see the question again. The company started business on 1st of January 2017. The company billed clients 85,000 in the year 2017. At the end of the year, the company had received 61,000 cash from customer. Okay, so this data is about the revenue. From this data, we can see that $85,000 is cash received by the business. So if you use cash basis accounting, revenue is cash received from customer. But under accrual basis accounting, revenue is the thing that happened during an accounting year or during one accounting period. So, under cash basis accounting, the revenue for this business is received cash 61,000. So the revenue is 61,000. But under accrual basis accounting, revenue is the thing that happened during the year. During the year, the business has provided services of $85,000. So under accrual basis accounting, the revenue is $85,000. Now for expenses, remember this. Under cash basis accounting, expenses are cash paid by the business to other parties. But under accrual basis accounting, expenses are the amount of expenses are related to the expenses that happen during the year. So see the data here. During 2017, the company paid 58,000 cash for various expenses. At the end of the year, the company still owed 29,000 for additional expenses. So you can see here, if you use cash basis accounting, the expenses equal to 58,000, which is the amount cash paid by the business. So expenses is 58,000. But when you use accrual basis accounting, expenses are things that are related to things that had happened during the year. During the year, the thing that happened is expenses 58,000 paid by cash, and also there are expenses that is still unpaid, 29,000. So under accrual basis, total expenses equal to 58,000 plus 29,000, which is equal to 87,000. So now you can calculate how much is profit or income under cash basis accounting and how much the profit or income under accrual basis accounting. For this sample question, under cash basis accounting, the business made profit of $3,000. But under accrual basis accounting, the business is making loss $2,000. So now we have to conclude now. How to say that cash basis accounting is better or not compared to the accrual basis accounting. So now here you can see that if you use cash basis accounting, you have recorded the revenue that had happened during the year and also the expenses that had happened during the year. So you will see the profit or loss that the business made during the year. And if you use cash basis accounting, you recorded the cash in and the cash out made by the business, and the profit or loss is actually the net cash, whether the business has cash or the business has no cash.